So why is PDM needed? One of the reasons is, creating that single view of the truth. Instead of many shared folders or multiple drives in a company, we have one place to go to. Through the workflow, it gets the right data to the right person at the right time. Then also because we recognize that a lot of our customers are not in one building, they have worldwide operations. The ability to replicate the data from your home base, for example, Chihuahua, I just happen to have it on the slide, to maybe Boston, where I live, is another, very easy thing to accommodate. And so that when I in Boston need a file, I can very easily take it out of a replicated old server, and I don't have to pull it from Chihuahua to Boston because it's been replicated. But it's also still under control of PDM.